Assalamu alaikum. This is Mrs. Khan from MM Model School, and now I am going to continue with the third part of the chapter through the colored glass, and now we move on to page number 99. When I grew up and became a full-time cartoonist, so we are studying about whom? R.K. Narayan and his brother R.K. Lakshman. Okay. So now the author has become a full-time cartoonist. I had little time to paint or illustrate stories, but I did draw Thama the baby elephant, little bird Gumchiki, who was his best friend, and other woodland creatures. My wife Kamla, so now he has got married and his wife's name is Kamla, wrote stories about their adventure in the jungle. But back in boyhood, I found that Narayan could be quite a grim elder brother. So he was a good elder brother. He thought it was his duty to teach me good manners and proper behavior. So he wanted to teach him proper behavior. He would order me to stop biting nails, or else etc. etc. But since he chewed his nails, as he said, the words had little effect. So the elder brother used to stop the younger one to chew the nails, but he himself did the same thing. So it never had any good effect. He would scold me for using my shirt front to wipe my hands and face. So the front part of the shirt he used to wipe his hand and face. Still date, many of students have habit of using the part of shirt as a hanky. How many times should I tell you that there are towels just for this purpose? The brother used to tell him that you should use a towel. He would forbid me to climb trees or ride cycle crossbar at breakneck speed. So he would stop the younger brother to ride the cycle very fast. Tell me, can anybody obey such rules? The worst was when he banned the use of our garden for playing cricket. Now he did not allow the children to play cricket in the garden. As the captain of the rough and tough and jolly cricket team. So what was the name of the team? The rough and tough and jolly cricket team. I lugged my bats and stumps and led my teammates in a frustrating search for games field. Now the author was looking for a new place, a new games field to play cricket, and he got frustrated. But though Narayan did not relent, he wrote about my misery in a story called The Legal Cricket Club. So Narayan wrote in a story, and the name of the new club which was developed by the author, it was the Regal Cricket Club. My brother did not think it was strange that he should sympathize so heartily with me in his writing, but not in life. I must tell you something about Mysore. Now he is going to tell you something about Mysore, where I grew up. Before India got her independence from the British, Mysore was a princely state. It was a princely state. It had Maharaja ruling over it. He thought that he was a god and his state was the whole world. The Maharaja, what did the Maharaja think? That he was the god and the whole world was the state. Most of his subjects means the people whom he ruled, thought the same, especially when he put on splendid shows for the people. So, वहाँ पर जो people रहता था in the state, they also thought that the Maharaja was the god. The Dussehra festival in Mysore was just famous. A long fabulous procession would march past the open-mouthed crowd. So, a long procession रहता था. There were show horses trained by Europeans. So, horses रहता था जिसका training Europeans देते थे. उस time Europeans आ चुके थे हमारे इंडिया में. The Englishmen, which danced along daintily to the western tunes. Western music के साथ dance कर रहा था कौन? Horse लोग. Jewels gleamed on the sleek white bodies. बहुत से jewels पहनते थे the horses. अंडर पेट्रोमैक्स लाइट। अरे कौन सा लाइट था? पेट्रोमैक्स, जो डीजल वगैरह से जलता था। और अभी भी देखना, कोई शादी में अगर शादी में अगर ये निकलता है, दूल्हा जब जाता है तो सर में मतलब पेट्रोमैक्स का लाइट रखता है। दे लुक लाइक फेरी क्रीचर्स। देयर वर रिचली डेकोरेटेड कैमल्स। क्या था? कैमल्स भी था। एंड ऑफ कोर्स द मोस्ट स्प्लेंडिड साइट, द एलिफेंट्स। हाउ गॉर्जियस दे लुक्ड, covered as they were with gold and velvet. You can see in the story. The Maharaja did not look majestic as he swayed along on the silk-lined howdah. So what is a howdah? We'll have to see to it. उसके ऊपर बैठ करके महाराजा को एकदम मैजेस्टिक लगता था। On the top of the biggest elephant. तो सबसे बड़ा एलिफेंट में वो जो जाते थे महाराजा। बिहाइंड हिम केम द लीगल रॉयल फैमिली। और उसके पीछे कौन जाता था? द रॉयल फैमिली, सूटेबल माउंटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू रैंक। सो जो रैंक में जो आदमी लोग काम करता था, जैसे कोई महाराजा का पीछे मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर, फिर उसके बाद कोई एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर होगा, कोई और इसका देखभाल करता होगा, ट्रेजरर होगा। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रैंक दे यूज्ड टू फॉलो देम। They were seated on chairs arranged on the enormous chariots. Chariots में बैठते थे, each as big as a room, drawn by elephants. Chariot कौन ड्रॉ करता था? कौन पुल करता था? Elephants. Then came the Mysore lancers, rigid and upright on their horses, holding their lances at an angle. The palace band provided rousing music. What is a lance? A long, thin pole with a sharp point that soldiers use in the past of weapons. मतलब एक लंबा सा बड़ा सा वेपन जिसका ऊपर में ऊपर माउथ के पास एक एरो रहता था। और ये सब म्यूजिक के साथ, बैंड के साथ ये लोग जाता था। I cannot end without telling you about my school. I began to attend classes when I was 5 years old because that time there was a custom at that time कि 5 साल से पहले कोई स्कूल नहीं जाता था। I hated school. A normal feeling. Tell me, which child likes to go to school? I felt wretched in the classroom. I am convinced that school learning is unnatural and bad for human beings. ना हम अभी भी बोल सकते हैं कि स्कूल लाइफ, स्कूल में लर्निंग जो होता है एक क्लासरूम के अंदर में, it is unnatural and bad for human being. In school, we sat on floor and chorused our lessons. सब जमीन में वो लोग क्या बैठ के, एक तो कपड़ा बिछा करके बैठा था, छोटा छोटा मैट, एंड दे सब कोई एक साथ कोरस में लेसन्स लर्न करता था। The teachers were terrible. They would write something on the board, ask us to take it down and go to gossip. कुछ लिखते थे बोर्ड में और अपने गॉसिप करने लगते थे और अपना चले जाते थे। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग।